Very good morning, students. Welcome back to your online English class. As we know that CBSE has cut short the syllabus for 12th standard, so the lessons second and third, as you can see here in the index, that lesson second, the Tiger King, and Journey to the Ant of the Earth, and the last memories of childhood. These three lessons have been cut from the syllabus. So already, as you know that the first chapter, the third level, that we have finished, and now the Tiger King also we had finished. I was just about to start the third lesson, Journey to the End of the Earth, but now as it is deleted from the syllabus, so now this fourth chapter will begin as a third chapter from your book Vistas. So today I'll take the fourth chapter, The Enemy. So here we see the chapter Enemy. I'll try to summarize. I'll try to summarize the chapter today so that you will understand. And on next one of your online English class, I'll try to give you few paragraph based question from the our mentioned chapter, The Enemy. So let's begin the summary. The Enemy summary will surely help you greatly in studying the chapter in detail. Actually, this chapter is related to a surgeon. It is about a Japanese surgeon actually, whose name is Sadao. He studies in America and married a Japanese girl. World War II, that time when he was in America, World War II broke during that time. All the doctors were under the obligation to go to the Japanese army. However, Sadao stayed back with an old general. As the old general was ailing, he was in need of Sadao. However, we learned that how an American Navy man finds his way in Sadao's life. As the soldier was not well, Sadao offers him medical help. Sadao was not willing to help the enemy, but he does. Here we will see in the conclusion of the lesson that this doctor, he performs his duty, he keeps his duty first. So he also knows the danger he has got himself into by helping the enemy. Due to this, Sadao conspires to kill the soldiers, conspires with his wife one day to kill the soldiers in his sleep. However, Sadao decides to save him because of humanity and brotherhood. So, The Enemy is a story written by Pearl Sidney Streeter Buck. She was an American writer. It is about a Japanese surgeon, Sadao, and he went to study. As I told you, that he goes to get a medical degree from America, and there he met a girl, Hannah. She was very good girl, and though she was Japanese also, and as Sadao's father, he had deep faith, and he was very particular about orthodox, we can say, about his custom culture of Japan. So he didn't want that his son should get married with any other girl or except Japan. So he marries her and brings her back to Japan to settle down. This was the time of World War II. Thus, all the doctors were called upon to serve the Japanese army. However, they allowed Sadao to stay back. It was because he was tending to the old general who was on his deathbed. So here we see that Sadao, uh, he was a surgeon first. He thinks himself as a doctor. He keeps there himself as a doctor first, and that's why he helped the enemy. He takes in the young soldier and provides him. He sees that one soldier's he is walking towards his house. He and his wife Hannah, both of them, they look at the soldiers, and later he came to know that he is from enemy camp, and his servant decide to leave Sadao too. because he knew it very well that once the army will get the information about this enemy, they may blame him also along with his master. So he decides to leave the house at once. His servant decided to leave and he went. As the days kept passing, the soldier was now beginning to gain his health back. Now that the soldier was no longer Sadau's patient, he decides to kill him off in his sleep. He informs the journal of the American and thus the journal reciprocate. They decide to send private assistants to kill the American soldier. While waiting for the assistants or waiting for the for other soldiers, those who were coming from American army, Japanese army, to kill that American soldiers, Sadao starts noticing it was delaying. However, during this course, humanity in Sadao arises. He realizes that he is human being at the end of the day. He now recognizes the value of human life as well as universal brotherhood. Thus, this opens his mind, which was limited to race, boundaries, and wars. Finally, he comes to the conclusion that the American soldier is not his enemy just because he belongs to another country. Thus, he rises above his prejudice and does the right thing by helping the American soldier escape, thus saving his life. And if you will go through the conclusion of the story, so conclusion of the story is that here he is keeping himself as a doctor, and as we know that doctor is considered the second god on earth. So, to sum up the enemy summary, we can say we learn how love and compassion can make us better human being as opposed to prejudice and basis against other people with whom we do not share anything but the bond of being humans. So this was the end of the summary, and after this on next turn of your English class, I'll as I told you in the beginning that I'll make you write some paragraph based question from the same chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.